So we have a 5 minute demand here. If he manages to come back, I don't know if he's going to come, but that's a demand floor on 5 minutes. That's 5 minute demand floor on confluence. And the break below is a more bearish correction. Just like I said in my earlier post, that let's give 3,009, 3,397, 3,400 a correction wave. And a push into that structure is exactly what I said, 3,404. And the market might come down exactly on the floor and react. So there is a very high probability that it could come into 97. So let's watch and see what she does. But where the market is good, that is following the structure of the market. Now we clone the structure. The next level of inclined demand is exactly where the price reacted. And we have seen a push from that level and almost 60 pip away from that 5 minute analysis. Just by cloning that floor and placing it on the next demand, we have seen a W structure. So what I'll technically see is I don't know how much money they have left, but if they break here, then of course they will challenge here, which is ideally another almost 170 pip London session buy idea. So if they manage to break here and return here, that will be fine. That's what I want to see. And if they come down there, maybe they might want to outrightly break and possibly challenge a sensation high. It's possible that they may want to challenge the high maybe towards the end of London session. Then as we march into New York session, we look out for new trade directional buyers. So this is what I see, and what I see is what happens in the market. So let's see if they're able to break it. That was a nice push. That was a nice push. We win on that. We win on that structure. We win on that structure. We win on that. 80 pips away from there. Come on, move. Let's see if they break here and return to this place. If they return here, that would be nice. But here we'll be very skeptical because of a sell structure at this area where price has been locked up so many times on retest. So it's possible that descending trend line hold a bearish sentiment. And we'll be watching the 5 minute candlestick close. And if he respects here, start pulling back, it means he's respecting the breakout of that structure. So we'll be watching the 5 minute pullback, and the ideal victory will be on break of this structure and use it as a demand floor. For now, the price on supply roof. So if you took that trade, you can close out or you break even. But let's see if the 5 minute candle break is. If not, it can reverse from there. There is a very high probability that the market has tapped liquidity into a high zone. It could bring this price back here before making a new trajectory. Yes. So I'm seeing my ideal floor is 97. I'm seeing my ideal floor is 97. So that area, it might be respected, it might not. So if it's respected, that is fine. But if it's not, then we wait for 97. Like I earlier said in my post, I said it before, and that was what I saw, and that is what I will stick to. But sometimes you take earlier confirmation tests such as this because we were trading on structure. But you can see the price is being respected at this area. So the price action at this area is still very much strong, and the market can pull back from there. Because I haven't seen what price have done here, initiate series of buy, series of buy, series of buy, and the breakout of structure, retest, yeah, respected. Yeah, good enough, respected the structure on 3,416 and dropped. That respect could be enough. So if he comes back and disrespects it, then it will return to the buying floor. And now the next move is going to be at 3,425. So let's hope that he does that. But if he doesn't do that, then the market will come down. To move on. This is 5 minutes analysis. Shavyfxhub, London session reporting.